Hello everyone, my name is Deepshika Sharma and today I am going to present my DSPDA mini project Smart Resume Analyzer, which is an intelligent machine learning based ATS evaluation system. So first of all, why do we need this project? So in today's competitive job market, many candidates get rejected before their resumes are even seen by the recruiter because companies use the ATS, that is application tracking system, to filter out the resumes automatically. So most of the students and freshers are unaware of ATS friendly resume formats. What are the missing skills? What are the matching skills of their resume? And how do they optimize their resume as per the ATS checker? So this is a web-based application which analyzes the resume, evaluates the quality using the machine learning model, that is logistic regression model. And there are different steps in that. First of all, we upload our resume in that, which is in PDF format or in docs format. After that, it checks for different keywords and calculates the ATS score of the resume. It not only calculates the score, but it also extracts the important skills in that and detects the features and shows you what are the missing skills in your resume, what you should include more so as to make it more ATS friendly and increase the score, and what are the skills which is missing from your resume as per the job role and job description. So this is the system architecture and the basic workflow. First of all, the user uploads the resume in the PDF or the docs format, preferably the PDF format, which is received at the backend. This is the front end where the user uploads the PDF. And at the backend, I have used Flask, which is a Python library to handle the request for file uploading and to coordinate the processing. The next step is the resume parser. So once the resume is uploaded, uh, the system cannot directly understand the resumes. Therefore, we extract the textual content from the file. For PDF resumes, I have used libraries, which is PyPDF2, or we can also use PDF Plumber for this purpose. Second step is the skills extraction. So after extracting the text from the resume, the raw data is cleaned because resumes may contain unnecessary symbols, formatting issues, and extra spaces. So in pre-processing, we remove the special characters from them. We remove the stop words. Stop words are the common words such as the articles and all. And then we convert all the text into lowercase so that we can perform efficient matching. And further, we tokenize the content. We break the sentences into individual words and normalize them. For this, I have used the NLTK library and Python regular expressions. Next is the section analysis. So this detects the sections, headings, bullet formats, everything, and it generates the feature from that, like the skill sets, the name, and all. Then comes the machine learning model. So here I've used the logistic regression model, multiple logistic regression model, because we are evaluating the resume and calculating the score based on various factors. One of the factors is the skills, the other factors would be leadership, what all roles you have performed. The third factor would be formatting of the resume, how it is done. And the fourth factor is also CGPA. And the fifth one is also about how the resume is created, like how the content has been articulated or put on the resume. Then it compares all the keywords. So if I have if I have selected a particular job role, it compares that the keywords of that particular job description with the ones which is there in the resume. If it is found, then it increases the score by one. And this is the part of score generation and suggestions. And there are specific fixed suggestions basis every resume. And I've trained the model with lots of resumes, and I've taken this data set from the Kaggle. And finally, the results is displayed in the dashboard. For that also, I have used the Python only because it allows us to represent the results in the visual format. Again, the tools and technologies used. The front end, for that I've used Tailwind CSS and HTML. For backend framework, I've used Flask. again a Python framework. For resume parsing, I've used PyPDF. For machine learning, I've used Learn to train the model. And the machine learning model that I'm using is here is multiple logistic regression. For text pre-processing, I have used TF-IDF vectorizer. And for storing the data, I'm storing it in JSON format. And the data set that I received from the Kaggle was from in the CSV format. So now let's go through the project. So this is the project. This is the front end. And here I've chosen the file. I'll again choose the resume file. So, and this is the job role that I have selected. There are various job roles. And this is the job description. This is optional, but if you write it, then that would be good. It would help the model in giving the accurate results. And so it is giving me the result in the form of a chart. It gives me personalized suggestions that include the certifications, then API, Git, and all these keywords are missing in my resume, which is required for a full stack developer role. These are the matched skills, the CSS, Node, React, SQL, and all. And this is the skill which is missing, API and Git. Uh, and here it is also showed the distribution of what is the ML score, the model score, what is the section completeness, and how friendly the formatting of my resume is, basis what was fed to the model. And this is the code. So here I've used the index.html for the front end. This is result.html to display the result. And each model of Python, like for insights, for matching it, everything, the code has been written in Python because I've used most of the Python libraries. And I've divided it into different modules. Like scoring is one module. So in this, we increase the counter whenever a keyword is matched with what is there in the resume. And this is the final app.py, basis which we run it on the terminal. So, though there are various websites out there in the market, such as JobScan and all, but if I upload the same resume on those websites, then I might see a higher score. But this is a very strict system, and the personalized suggestions help us in finding out what more do we need to add in order to increase the ATS score and to make it more ATS friendly. The future scope of this project is that I will improve the UI of the whole project, and I'll try to add more personalized suggestions, and I'll integrate API keys in that so that the model will be able to evaluate and suggest better. So that was all. Thank you so much for listening.